How to fix Instagram repost option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. This issue mostly occurs due to minor bugs. So firstly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. Next, you can try to force quit Instagram. So open Instagram and then swipe up on your home screen and then close Instagram completely by swiping up along with all the apps running in the background. You can then reopen after 10 seconds and this might help you in solving your issue. If not, then go back and open settings and tap on apps at the bottom of your screen. Further, tap on the Instagram option there and make sure the toggle buttons such as photos, notification, background app refresh are enabled, and if not, then enable these toggle button. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then go back to settings. And then, if you have enabled VPN, then go ahead and disable the VPN for the time being, if not in use, as some reasons block features. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then you can try to switch your account type on Instagram. So, open Instagram and then tap on the profile option. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen, and then in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down, and if you are using a personal account, then switch to professional account, and if you're using a professional account, then you can try to switch to personal account and see if that helps in fixing your issue, and later you can switch back to your personal or your professional account. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on language and region, and make sure the language and region is selected to English, and you can try to then close the app and then reopen the app, as this is a temporary fix for this issue. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then you can try to stay active for 48 to 72 hours by simply liking, commenting, and watching reels on your Instagram, and the feature will appear automatically. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram repost option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.